Harvest season is here, and the machines break down? The most frustrating part isn't that the machine broke twitches that the spare parts are still floating at sea. It takes half a month to ship from China? Can farming wait that long? At Easybiz, this kind of waiting doesn't exist. We've moved our warehouse right to our customers' doorsteps. Full machines in stock, spare parts fully equipped. See samples first, then place your order. Ship immediately upon ordering. With local teams guaranteeing after Sully's support, this is the confidence we give our local distributors. Speed alone isn't enough, quality must be solid. Our agricultural machinery, tractors and cultivators, fully complies with international standards. They've already been field tested and proven in over 40 countries worldwide. Moreover, we are the official operator of the Shandong Yopen Hub program, and all our products carry authoritative endorsement. Whether it's scorching heat torch of soil, Made in China delivers uncompromising performance. Our overseas distributor network already spans more than 10 countries. Join us and put reliable power right next door to your customers.